Hi guys, today I will be doing some fidget spinner tricks with my fidget spinner, not my brother's because he's inside, and I'm at my grandma's house, so yeah, fits. The umbrella's in the way, this is not my house, so you won't be seeing this anymore. And yeah, if you've ever been wondering what's inside a fidget spinner, well, what's inside of this, what's behind these, but then I'm going to show you today. This is what they look like up close. So yeah, and that's what it looks like there. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna fix it so it'll be better. Yeah, here we go. This first trick is called, well, I like to call it middle finger to index finger. So here it goes. Middle finger, index finger. Now I'm going to balance it on my thumb, finger, other finger, other finger, pinky and thumb. And this is another trick, it's passing from one hand to another, so here we go. That was a fail. Another fail. And it's fallen, so let's fix it. So yeah, and it broke again. Okay, let me just quickly stick this in. Sorry guys, just my brother broke it. Okay, here we go. Got stuck. Stop. Sorry, this is only my first time. Oh yeah, there we go. So yeah, I can balance it on my forehead as well. There. I've never done it on my nose, so I won't try that. But I'll do it. Yeah, I told you I couldn't do it on my nose, but anyway. I couldn't ever do it on my nose, but this is the first time I've done it, so please subscribe and like it. Thanks for watching.